Alright, so we're tasked with evaluating the following integral. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to factor this denominator right here. So, as you can see, we're going to get 4x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 2. Don't forget the dx. Now, what we can do here is we can actually break this integral up using partial fraction decomposition to make it much easier to solve. So, we're going to get 4x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 2 equals a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 2. You can see we've got a term for each factor here. Okay, now we're going to multiply this equation by the denominator. And the denominator, of course, is x minus 1 times x plus 2. And we are left with 4x minus 1 equals x plus 2 times a plus x minus 1 times b. Now, our goal is going to be setting each of these terms equal to 0 so that we can solve for the other. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. First, we're going to set x equal to 1. When we set x equal to 1, we have 4 times 1 minus 1 becomes 3 equals 1 plus 2 is 3, which gives us 3a, plus 1 minus 1 is 0 times b, which cancels out to 0. And we solve this equation to get 1 equals a. To set this term equal to 0, we set x equal to negative 2. When we set x equal to negative 2, we get 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, minus 1 is negative 9, equals 0 plus negative 3b. Solving this equation, you can see that 3 equals b. Okay, now we're going to plug this back into our integral. We're going to box this off. We're going to go right back to the integration now. So, this integral has now become the much easier to solve 1 over x minus 1 plus 3 over x plus 2 dx. And we get this by plugging each of these answers back into this equation here. So solving this integral, we get ln x minus 1 plus 3 ln x plus 2 plus c.